like to hate. As in, gusto nyo lang mag-hate. Wala kayong pake sa mga political stance. Wala kayong pake sa mga ganon. Y'all just like to hate. That's it. And I'm so done. And tell me I'm wrong. Because I'm not. Ano yun? May tawag dyan sa activism na yan eh. There's a term for that. No, I'm not pregnant. And at this point, I wish I was pregnant by a very, very rich Arab billionaire. That I don't have to go on social media and broadcast my life and be me. Tapos may nanghihingi pa ng makeup. My God! Y'all didn't care! Y'all didn't care! Oh my gosh! I have the video pa nung pandemic! And may mga nakakaaway ako because of my stand on politics. Tapos ngayon, may care kayo? May care kayo? Tapos oh my gosh, I am a proud Lenny supporter. Pero at this point, alam nyo, I'm not the kalaban eh. I'm not the kalaban. It's yung mga bawang nag-vote, yung mga corrupt politicians. Yun. But y'all are mad at me for commenting cute. Like, hello? Cute naman kasi talaga yung video. Ang cute kaya. Diba? Ang cute. It's nakakatawa. It's nakakatawa. Kasi, diba may mga memes before, si VP Sara and si PBB. Diba? Ang funny yon. Ang funny nun. Yung about unit team breaking up, tapos may background music na, diba? Natawa kayo dun. Natawa kayo dun. And now, y'all are commenting. Y'all are bashing me because I commented, haha, cute. And, I deleted the video because it's for my safety because I name drop politicians. And then I realized, oh my gosh, that's wrong to name drop mga politicians na dapat hindi i-support because they can come at me anytime. Gosh. Yeah, it's really not giving. And yes, I'm single. I celebrated Valentine's Day bedridden. Y'all just like to throw hate at this point. Tapos kapag isa-stalk ko, alam mo yung tipong mga ang babata na, oh my gosh. Y'all are so random. No one gave a fuck about me. When I was like criticizing the government, now when I commented cute, y'all are coming at me. I don't know how many sundresses I have, but I need to buy more. Can y'all recommend shops where I can buy? Kasi wala sa Zara and then there's none din sa Every New. Am I allowed to curse? I don't think I'm allowed to curse. Sana hindi ako ban. Honestly I'm kind of going our streak. Do we have a streak? We don't have a streak. I don't even follow you. Anyway, you know what? Honestly, this is why some people, like some influencers, choose to shut up. Or like, yung mga ina-expect yung mag-speak up. Nananahimik na lang sila kasi grabe talaga. Tapos sasabihin nyo, that's part of your mabash. Oh my gosh, kayo kayang i-bash. So y'all know how it feels. Oh my gosh, ngayon na lang talaga ako nainis sa mga bashers. Like, honestly, wala talagang pake. Bash me all you want, pero ngayon magko-comment kayo na DDS ka! Eh, hindi nga ako DDS! I'm not a DDS! I'm just friends with V. And y'all, we never talked about politics. It's our convos are super funny and just GVs. You know why? Kasi naghihiwalay namin yon. Kayo hindi kasi. And y'all don't have a life. It shows. Oh my gosh. I'm not BBM. BBM, lalaki yon. Ako po, Bea Boris po ako. BB ako, Bea B. Hindi, I can't hayaan this kasi y'all are making pilit na DDS ako. Dahil nag-comment ako ng cute. Buti sana kung nag-share ako ng mga kung ano-ano about them, but no. And no, my eyebrows, it's not natural. Nagpa-microblade ako. Yan. Tapos may nagka-comment na kumain ka na. Hindi. Actually, kumain na ako. Pero kasi hindi masarap yung pagkain ko. Pero like, kailangan ko kainin ko so I had to take meds. Yes, my nose is natural. No, oh my gosh. I am very vocal. Tignan niyo yung yung mga vlogs ko. Ay! Yun na naman may nagko-comment ng DDS! Hindi nga. And no, I am not gonna sell my pre-loved makeups because it's so unhygienic. I'd rather give away PRs. Oh my gosh. At this point, ginajoke nila na Kibuloy. Seryoso kayo? You think I support Kibuloy na convict, yan na naman tayo sa nag-name drop ng mga dapat hindi vote. Alam nyo, bala kayo sa life ko. Basta ako, Bam, Kiko, Heidi, Kalyo D, I'm really not sure yet. Pero, honestly, pwede. Pero, gonna do my research on him. Si Attorney Locke, oh my gosh. Ngayon ko lang naalala. Dati ko pa pala siya support. I just forgot. If ready na yung, like, cheat sheet ko sa mga iso-support, I'll let you guys know. I will let you guys know. Pero, oh my gosh. You know what? I'm actually not allowed to go on a diet. But the thing is, I kind of don't want to eat na. But yeah, I'm gonna order Frankie. Well, I mean, if he treats you na parang every day is Valentine's Day, edi it's normal. Kasi, when you're going through like, a fat grafting ba yun, kailangan mong kumain. Oh my gosh, may nunal bang hindi natural? Bye na nga.